Dobar dan, I am Darija. I'm a BA student here at BHMS studying hospitality and management. So the reason why I chose BHMS is because of the opportunities that the school offers, such as 6 months of academic studies and 6 months of paid internship. Also the professional conduct that the students, the staff, the professors all uphold. So the main difference between studying at BHMS in Switzerland and studying in Bosnia is the quality of education. So not a lot of schools offer what this school offers. So there's like a select few, and it's not available to everyone, whilst here everyone gets an opportunity. Okay, so right now my favorite class is personal and professional development, which I'm loving because it's so immersive and you talk a lot. And also the professor, she gives us a lot of great ways on how to make ourselves more professional and how to be the best manager, businessman / woman that we can be. So Lucerne is a fine city and very clean, very safe. Wherever you go, you're going to see something really nice and scenic, such as mountains, old buildings, rivers, lakes. Everything is absolutely amazing. 100% yes. I would recommend it to anyone who wants to study abroad, who wants to gain a lot of knowledge and of work experience while they study.